technologies.
Right, Rachna. Many thanks for those details. Now, energy storage solutions company Clean Electric has raised $6 million in a Series A funding round. The round was co-led by InfoEdge, P1 Ventures and Kalari Capital. The round also saw participation from Lok Capital and other investors. Founded in 2016, the Pune-based startup offers solutions that include a proprietary rapid charging technology, which can fully charge electric vehicles in under 12 minutes. Joining me now to discuss this further is Akash Gupta, the CEO of Clean Electric. Akash, thank you so much for being here with us on Startup Street to discuss this fundraise. You know, you primarily manufacture batteries for electric 2- and 3-wheelers, right? So what's the kind of demand you've seen and the efficiencies that you're bringing in? You're also eyeing the 4-wheeler and heavy electric space as well. What's the plan on that front?
Thank you, Arundathi, for having Clean Electric on your show. Yes, we have commercialized our electric 2-wheeler battery products, which can be charged in 12 minutes. And we have already deployed close to 1,000 battery packs in 37 different cities with our OEM partners who manufacture electric 2-wheeler. We are in discussions and advanced certifications of our 3-wheeler battery packs as well, which have a capability to charge in under 20 minutes. And using an open network charging protocol, which will be a game changer for the entire e-rickshaw and the L5 electric 3-wheeler in the next 12 months. And we are in pilots for the electric 4-wheeler battery packs, which includes cars and light commercial vehicle, which will also get into production in year 2025.
Absolutely. So big plans there. But you know, one thing that we notice is that your batteries are priced at about a 10 to 20% premium to other players, right? Who offer the same, who have the same offering. So how are you staying ahead of competition? Any plans to rationalize rates there?
So Arundathi, basically in the market, people are offering 1 hour, 2 hour or 4 hour charging time. So if you have to buy a better product, it has to come with a certain price premium. So our batteries can get charged in 20 minutes. That is the reason for 10 to 15% price premium because of better technology. And this is also due to the fact that we are at a pilot scale manufacturing. As we scale up our operations over the next 2 to 3 years, we will see price parity across all our product portfolio. We are into megawatt hour scale production. As we scale the manufacturing into several hundred megawatts hour and gigawatt hour, our price parity will be there with respect to any OEM who is offering battery to different OEMs, basically.
So as you scale up production, we'll see some price parity there. But you also just recently raised $6 million, right, about a week back. So if you could tell us, how do you plan to spend the funds and any new offerings in the pipeline?
Yes, basically we have raised $6 million in equity from InfoEdge Ventures, Kalari Capital, Pi Ventures, and Lok Capital. These are very high quality institutional investors which has backed us. And we intend to scale up our operations. We are expanding our leadership team to be able to grow 10x over the next 12 months and continue growing from there on. And we are also heavily investing into the research and development, as the breakthrough which we have got is on the fundamental science-based innovation which we have come up on the lithium-ion batteries. So there is continuous R&D which we need to do over the next few years to be able to bring down the price of the battery to at par with what other OEMs are offering, but with a 200 to 300% better performance. So that is the high-level plan. We will be scaling up our operations to 200 megawatt hour, and then also to invest in R&D and the core leadership positions so that we can build a sustaining large-scale organization from here on.
Absolutely. But, speaking about growth, if you could take us through what you're clocking right now in terms of revenues and where do you hope to end the year? What about profitability at this point?
So we are doing around $100,000 in monthly revenue, which is close to 1.5 million ARR, you can say. And in the next 12 months, September 2025, we aim to do 100 crore ARR, basically 12 to 15 million in annual revenue run rate by the end of year 2025. And the growth will primarily come from the electric 3-wheeler and the electric 4-wheeler category, which we are venturing out, which is into certification stage. And that is the growth plan over the next 12 months, basically.
All right, so that's the growth plan over the next 12 months. And you were talking about how price parity will only come in once you increase your production capabilities, right? So if you tell us what your current manufacturing capacity is at and, what's the target for production by the end of this year and how much you want to grow it by?
So we have deployed around 1,000 batteries over the last 12 months. In the next 12 months, we will be deploying close to 10,000 battery packs in terms of number of units across two-wheeler, three-wheeler, and electric four-wheeler battery packs. And in terms of megawatt hour capacity, we are close to 20 to 40 megawatt hour as we speak. And we will be doing around 200 megawatt hour in year 2025, in the last quarter of calendar year 2025, basically.
All right. And, if you could quickly in 30 seconds tell us about your collaborations, right? You already have 2 that you've announced. And how many more partnerships are you looking at, and all of them in India? Are you already in talks with people?
So we are looking at 4 more important collaboration in the electric three-wheeler and the electric four-wheeler space, which will help us to reach our 2025 targets. And we are in discussion with the global car makers, basically, since 12 to 20-minute charging time is unheard of globally as well. Tesla also takes 30 minutes for full charge. So there are global interest also with some global European OEM and that are in pilot stage. So by the end of next year, we should have technology demonstrator on a four-wheeler with a global OEM as well, based out of Europe for global market. Basically.
Right. So in talks with global players as well. All right, Akash, thank you so much for taking time out and being here with us on Startup Street. And we wish you all the best going forward. With that, Ritu, it's over to you.
Thank you.
Private wealth